Tech stocks rebound as investors a.ssess tax bill details. Reuters, Wall Street rose and technology stocks recovered from a two-day sell-off on Tuesday, with investors assessing a change to the Senate's version of the tax overhaul bill that could affect the ability of companies to cut their tax bills. The Republicans made last-minute changes to their tax bill, which included retaining the corporate alternative minimum tax, AMT, after initially proposing its repeal. That puts Senate Republicans on a collision course with Republicans in the House of Representatives, whose own tax bill repeals the corporate AMT and who are already calling for the tax to be eliminated in the final legislation. House Republican leader Kevin McCarthy had called for elimination of corporate AMT in a CNBC interview on Monday. The recent retreat in tech stocks has been attributed to AMT inclusion. It's the speculation on the details of tax bill that's being played out in the market, said Masoud Ghazi, director at Nasdaq Advisory Services. Expect the next 2 or 3 days for the market to behave irrationally. A lot of changes are being made to the tax bill and it obviously impacts various sectors in different ways. At 11:18 a.m. ET, 1618 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI was up 25.56 points, or 0.11%, at 24,315.61. The S&P 500 SPX was up 8.62 points, or 0.33%, at 2,648.06, and the Nasdaq Composite ICSIC was up 58.79 points, or 0.87%, at 6,834.16. 7 of the 11 major S&P sectors were lower, led by losses in telecom services, SPL, RCL and utilities. SPLRQ. Technology stocks. SPL RCT gained about 1.29%, led by gains in Microsoft, MSFT.O, Amazon, AMZ and.O, and Apple, Apple.O. Shares of 21st Century Fox, Foxa.O, climbed to a life high after a report that Walt Disney, Dis.N, was in the lead to acquire much of Fox's media empire, though rival suitor Comcast, Comcast.O, remained in contention. Disney shares fell 2.2%, and Comcast also slipped 1.6%. McDonald's, MCD.N, rose 1.75%, providing the biggest boost to the Dow, after Jefferies upgraded the stock with a buy rating. Toll Brothers, Toll.N, shares fell about 8% after the luxury home builder's profit and revenue missed analysts' expectations as it sold homes at prices lower than its own estimates. Declining issues outnumbered advancers on the NYSE by 1,479 to 1,266. On the Nasdaq, 1,417 issues fell and 1,342 advanced. Reporting by Rama Venkat Raman in Bengaluru, editing by Arun Koyer.